This is India. India is a lot. यहाँ गर्मी, सर्दी, बारिश, लोग और उन सब की जरूरतें कभी नहीं रुकते। At Voltas, हम इन जरूरतों को समझते हैं। In fact, that's how our story began. जब JRD Tata and Volkart brothers ने समझा that independent India needs independent innovation, and so Voltas was born with one single purpose: to build India. From there, the nation grew, the needs grew, and so did we. Our ACs became more efficient, more adaptive, more Indian. From cold storage rooms for soldiers to medical freezers in hospitals to chest freezers for ice creams, we've kept India cool in every way it needed. No matter the weather, no matter the scale, and no matter the need, हमने देश की हर जरूरत समझी. And somewhere in between bringing India's first room AC to being the first Indian brand to cross 2.6 million in AC sales, we became India's first. That keeps India first. But building India means being on the pulse of progress. That's why, from intercity trains, airports and hospitals to international infrastructure like Burj Khalifa, we've taken India's engineering excellence to a global level, while at the same time powered India's progress by partnering with fellow pioneers who were leading it. And in 2018, we found a partner that shared our vision. And so, we combined our understanding of how India cooked, cleaned and cared with their global technology. And that's how one of India's fastest growing appliance brand, Voltas Beko, was born. Led by visionaries and built on belief, Voltas has always grown with the minds that shape India's tomorrow. And whatever India envisions next, as always, we'll be ready with a plan, because we are Voltas. और हम इंडिया को समझते हैं.